டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ஃபயர் பயனாளர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நீங்கள் ஆல்ரெடி அப்லோட் பண்ண வீடியோஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கான லிங்க் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது.
Visual reasoning. Okay, here in logical reasoning we having a subtitle as visual reasoning. Actually today TNPC new syllabus introduced this visual reasoning in group 1 and group 2. Okay, so we are going to see about the visual reasoning third type, that is series. Okay, in series also they having questions in visual reasoning. Last two videos I teach you first type is mirror, second type is water. For this video I am going to teach about the series in visual reasoning questions. Okay, now we are move on to the model, that is series. So we are having a small technique in the series also. Okay, actually in the series problem they will give 4 to 5 images for you. Okay, 4 to 5 images for you. This is a problem figure they given. Okay, we are going to solve this problem within actually for this kind of problems we have to find a continuity image for this question. Okay, for this series problem we have to find a continuity image. So what image will come to this next for this question? Okay, for this type of questions we must to know two types, that is first one is angle, second one is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, actually someone get confused which one is the clockwise, which one is the anti-clockwise in examination tension. So we never use that angles and clockwise and anti-clockwise here. Okay, so instead of this types angles and clockwise and anti-clockwise I am going to tell some small technique to solve this figure problems. Okay, that is series problem method. Okay, here the visual they are giving problem figures. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem with using a small technique. We never use angles and clockwise and anti-clockwise here. Okay, because it's okay, let's we take angles. Here we they are given the problem that they give a 5 image for you. First of all you have to assume that the angles as a line. Okay, here angles as a line, here the image is asterisk, it shows like a asterisk. Okay, in the first figure you first of all you just don't get confused for these images. First of all you just see any difference in the figures which they are give the image, there is any difference between the figures. Okay, first of all you find. Okay, for this question here is the difference, between the other lines here. Okay, we consider angle as a line here. Okay, here, so for angles here we assume that angles as a line. Here is the difference between the other lines. So we take this is the first figure, that is first one. Here is the difference between the other lines. In the second one it comes one in line between, for the first figure and second figure there is a one line between that. Okay, here this is a 0, you take a 0 because there is no line between this angle and this angle, that is line. So we will put 0 for this. Okay, here please assume 0, there is no line in between this line and this line, so we assume a 0. Okay, for the second image, here is the first image, no, for this and this here second image is coming here, no, this is small line. So in between two images, there is a one line in between that one. Okay, you take this is a one line in between the first figure and second figure, that is first image and second image will get a one line in between. Okay, so you put 1 for this. This is 0 and this is 1. So in the third image, for second and third, there is a no line in between that. Okay, for this one and this, there is no line in between, so you put 0 for this. Okay, here in fourth image, there is a two lines in between, the third image and fourth image. So two lines are coming in between the third image and fourth image, so you put a 2 for this. Okay, for this one, there is no lines in between the fourth image and fifth image, so you put a 0. Okay, now what will come? 3. Okay, 3 will come. Okay, for this first image, 0 lines are there is no lines in between that, so you put 0. Here is a one line between first and second figure, so you put 1. Here there is no lines here between the 2 and third image, so you put 0. Here is 2 lines in between the 3 image and 4th image, so you put 2. For this, there is no lines between the 4th image and 5th line, so you put 0. So automatically what it will come? Continuation figures, so we will see. Okay, automatically 3 lines in between. Okay, 0 0 1 0 2 0. Next what will come? 3. Okay, for this answer figure, which one is come? 3. Okay, for fifth figure, you see, no, where is the line? Here. So 3 lines in between is the answer. So 3 lines in between the answer means 1 2 3. D is the answer for this question. Okay, clearly observe. You must clearly hear this. Okay, this is the 0 1 0 2 0. Next 3 will come. Okay, for fifth figure, the small line is coming here, no, so 3 lines in between fifth image and D image. 1 2 3. Okay, this is the answer for this problem. Okay, this is a small technique you have to use for the series problem. Okay, if they ask like this means second model. If they ask like this problem, arrow problem. Okay, for this problem also we are using a same technique. What used in the first problem, you have to use the same technique. For this problem, A, B, C. Okay, in this next model of problem in series, this is the problem. There is a one difference between the images. That is one small arrow and another one is a long arrow. Okay, here is the first we consider the small arrows. Okay, first of all, small arrows is coming like this. Okay, this line. Next one is, first of all, for this problem you consider like a asterisk. Whatever in the last problem you see a asterisk problem, no, so for this problem also you just assume the asterisk like this. Okay, like this asterisk. Here you consider the like a asterisk problem. So first of all you can assume the, first of all you take a small arrows. First of all you take a small arrows in each images. Okay, first in the first image, A image, a small arrows is here, no, in the straight. Okay, next is come like this. Okay, one line in between these A and B, there is a one line in between that one, two images. Okay, you just write 1. Okay, for this image the line is coming here, no, for C image the one line in between the B image and C image, there is a one line. Okay, so here is also a 1, here is also a 1. You first take a small arrow, and first you take a small arrow. Just assume that asterisk, whatever we solve last problem, so that asterisk you draw, just you write the small arrows. Okay, small arrow. In this image, there is in between A image and B image, there is a one line in between these two images, so you write a 1. Next, you in the C image also a small image come like this, no? In between B image and C image, there is one line in between two images. Okay, for this D also there is a one line between C image and D image. Okay, just you try in asterisk. Okay, you assume asterisk, you try small arrows in that asterisk. Okay, for C image and D image, there is one line in between the C image and D image. For D and E, there is a one line. Here no D image, here is a E image. So D image and E image, there is a one line in between the D image and E image. Okay, further figure is what? We are going to find the next figure for the small image. Okay, for the small image we are going to see the next image. Okay, let's we move on to the answer figure. What it will come? Here is the straight line, it will come, no? Image, small image is here. So this 1, next 4 and 5. Okay, these are all the answers coming here. 1, this is 1 and this is 2. And 1 and this is the answer figure. We are going to find 1 and 4 will come, 5 and 5 will come. Okay, 3 answers will come for small arrow. Okay, now we are going to find a big arrow. That is big arrow is here, no? Big arrow. We are going to find next big arrow. Okay, for A image and B image, big arrow is coming here, no? And second B image arrow is coming here. So now also you assume that asterisk figure. Okay, assume like asterisk figure for big arrow. Here in the A image it will come here, and in the B image it will come here. So in between A image and B image, 2 lines will come. Okay, 2 lines is in between the A image and B image. Okay, okay, here we write a 2. Okay, next in B image and C image, a big arrow is there, no? Here. So there is a line, that is the big arrow is coming where? Here, no? Here is the big arrow. Next it will come up, no? So how many numbers are there? Here, no? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are in between B image and C image. Okay, so there is a 3 line in between B image and C image. Here 2 lines between C image and D image. So 2, 3, 2, then 3. 3 will come, no? Then 2. 2 will come, no? So answer figure is 2. 2 is the answer figure. Next. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3. So answer figure will come 2. So here where is the 2? 3 figure is no. Here the 2 is comes in the up. Okay, small figure. also. Here is the answer. Which one is the answer? Here is the answer. It will come 4 is the answer for this question. 4 is the answer for this question, that is arrow question. Okay. Four is the answer for this arrow question. Okay students, I will give two problem for you to solve the using same technique. Here is a 4. 4 is the answer for this problem. Okay, let's see. Two lines in between the big arrow, no? This is the answer for this question. Okay. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 2 will come for this. In small arrow, here is a small arrow, no? In anti-clockwise, it will come. That is, we will assume a line in between the arrows, small arrows. Here is a small arrow come, no? Last arrow, it will come like this, no? Straight. Okay, here what is this? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here this line is come in between D image. There is a one line between D image and E image. Here is a E image, no? One line between the E image and answer image. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. One image comes, you take first, you take assume a small image. Okay, the answer will the fourth one is the answer for this question. Okay. Okay, for this question you use this same technique what we did in the first question. Okay, you just assume a asterisk figure for this question. Okay, I give 2 questions for you to solve the using this same technique. I give 2 questions. Okay, for this is the problem I given for you. Okay, let's try to solve this problem using the same technique. Okay, thank you. This is a last problem. I given here 2 questions. You just try. Okay, same technique you have to use for this problem. This is the problem. 2 problem I given for you using the same technique. Okay, thank you.
இதே மாதிரி இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பார்க்கணுன்னா கீழே இருக்கிற சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டன் அப்புறம் பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. எங்களுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்பில் ஜாயின் பண்ணுறதுக்கான லிங்க் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.